Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible Android build and a little patience. First, check settings about to confirm Android version and free storage. This prevents install failures. Once done, enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser or file manager you'll use, because the Play Store APK won't come from the official store. Next, pick an APK that matches your device architecture, ARM64 or ARMY by v7a, so the package installs cleanly. Make sure battery is over 30% and a steady Wi-Fi connection is available before proceeding. Now install the core Google packages in the right sequence to avoid errors. You should install Google Services Framework first, then Google Play Services. This order ensures the required APIs register correctly. After those finish, install the Google Play Store APK. The store often refuses to start without the previous two. As you install, accept requested permissions like storage and background data. If an installation is blocked, tap Settings from the installer and allow the app to install from the source. Then retry the APK installation. Finish by opening the Play Store and signing in with your Google account. This activates sync and purchases. Once signed in, update Google Play Services through the store and then reboot the phone so all services initialize properly. If the Play Store crashes or shows Google Play Services errors, go to Settings Apps, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot and sign in again. If problems continue, ensure you installed the correct APK variants and repeat the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.